Hey everyone, this is I think it's Toys R Us exclusive horse and Hayden. So this is roughly what it comes with. Comes with a posable horse, but I'll show you the doll first. This is the exclusive doll. And I think I took her hair out, I can't remember how it was. And then it came with a really cool horse. I don't remember the horse's name, but there'll be a picture either at the end or at the front. And the horse, trying to grab the hair, has a joint here and a joint here, so you can move the head down so you can eat or something. And it's got joints in its legs so you can move it. Comes with a cool blanket and a saddle. And the cool thing about these is you can actually do their hair. It came with these things down here, like a little brush, and these things for their hair. So you can either braid their hair and then stick this on. And then there's a big one. And then this one came with a different color flower ribbon. It looked like this but different color, so it would have had this as like a winning thing. But yeah, that's all I could find of this. So this is the Toys R Us exclusive Hayden and horse.